Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Anamika Rahman. Today I'll be discussing the development of port logistics centers from a Bangladeshi perspective, highlighting their critical role in enhancing our logistic and supply chain efficiency. As Bangladesh evolves into a crucial international trade hub, our seaports play a vital role. This presentation will address current challenges in logistics and infrastructure while proposing strategy is for effective port logistics centers to boost competitiveness and economic growth. Seaports are vital multi-dimensional transport nodes and integrated logistics centers crucial for the global transport system. Integrated port logistics center enhance the port performance and contribute to economic development by meeting local and international demand. Seaports are evolving with expanded service and multimodal capabilities to handle growing trade demands. The study investigates the development of seaports in Bangladesh as integrated logistics centers. Uh, the research goals are identifies the technologies, issues, challenges, and impacts related to seaports in development in Bangladesh. Qualitative research has been done using primary and secondary data. It suggests strategies and actions for port authorities, local logistic providers, and stakeholders to improve the efficiency for port logistics centers in Bangladesh. Maritime transport is the most efficient global transport system essential for the connecting national and international trade. It plays a crucial role in national, regional, and global economic growth. Seaports are vital nodes in maritime transport system, significantly impacting the global economy. Their performance relies on competitiveness driven by effective logistic management and value-added services. Modern seaports have expanded beyond cargo handling to include comprehensive logistics service. The third generation port development model by Uncut advocates for enhanced connections between service providers, facilitators, operators, and end users. Seaports have transitioned to global supply chain management roles, necessitating the cooperations with the supply chain partners to who provide the integrated logistics service. Ports are now central to competitive output distribution and logistics services, benefiting from development node link system. European ports like Rotterdam have adapted their operations over countries to evaluating manufacturing and trading mechanism. The Port Rotterdam exemplifies the successful integrations of logistics centers, boosting competitiveness and economic growth in European markets. Bangladeshi seaports handling 90% of the country's foreign trade face inefficiencies due to underdevelopment logistic services. There is a call for restructuring the port logistics system to enhance the performance and competitiveness. The study aims to assess the development of port logistics in Bangladesh and purpose strategies for establishing an effective port logistics center to improve the logistic performance and expand the international trade potential. The next slide is about the literature review. The literature review on port logistics centers reveal a range of conceptualization and framework. Sambulus defines them primarily as primary as a transport hubs integrating the various modes, while Dew and Bergquist provide a comprehensive framework categorizing logistic centers by attributing and functions, but lack specific on the port integrations. Notoboom offers a taxonomy that incorporates both spatial and functional aspects, and the NISDM highlights the evolving role of a port in logical in the global logistic but lacks implementation strategies. Medute presents a method for evaluating logistics centers' financial viabilities, but does not address the context-specific challenges for developing countries like Bangladesh. The study aims to address these gaps by focusing on the effective development strategies for port logistics centers in Bangladesh. The next slide is about the assessment of port logistics centers development in Bangladesh. Chattogram Port Authority has been grappling with rapid containerization growth, leading to infrastructure and management challenges. But recent initiatives, including the Bay Terminal projects and increased private investment, aim to enhance its capacity and efficiency. Expansion and authority. Following Bangladesh independence in 1971, Chattogram Port's trade grew rapidly, leading to the creation of the Chattogram Port Authority to manage the port's expansion. Impact of containerization. Containerization revolutionized global trade and logistics, promoting countries to enhance their port facilities and infrastructure to attract the multi corporations and improve the logistic performance. ICT development. The Inland Container Depot at Dhaka, established in 1987, was aimed at facilitating container movement between Dhaka and Chattogram, reflecting the global trend of optimizing supply chain management. Infrastructure challenges. Rapid containerization has lead to inadequate infrastructure and facilities at Chattogram Port, with issues including poor management and insufficient storage and complex container handling process. Private sector involvement. Since 2007, CPA has allowed private companies to invest in port infrastructure, but it has not yet fully transitioned to a landlord port model, which is common among successful global ports. Off-dock facilities. From 2010, the government promoted the establishment of private container freight stations and ICD is to reduce port congestion and improve cargo clearance, though custom restrictions limits the types of good handled. Operational constraints. Despite ICDs and inlet terminal alleviating some pressure, custom regulations still result in high container dwell times, 11 days for import and 4 days for export, due to handling and processing requirements at the port. Bay Terminal Project. To address the capacity issue and improving service, CPA plans to build the Bay Terminal at Anandabazar, including breakwater dredging and new terminal. With the PSA Singapore appointed as the terminal operator under public-private partnerships. Despite the robust economic growth in Bangladesh, Chattogram port handling over 3.25 million TEUs in 2021 and 22, accounting for about 92% of national maritime trade. The port has struggled to achieve efficiency in logistics service, while significant investment have been done in seaside infrastructure such as navigation and terminal facilitation. There has been insufficient focus on the crucial hinterland infrastructure, including the vehicle terminals and transportation management. This neglect has resulted in inefficient port operations, limited evacuation capacities, and lengthy clearance process, contributing to high container dwell times. Additionally, the lack of comprehensive logistic policy, inadequate stakeholders collaborations, and minimal private sector participation have hindered the development of competitive logistic environment. These issues highlight the need for enhanced logistical facilities and policy is to improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of Chattogram port operations. The next slide is about the strategies to mitigate the challenges of port logistics center development in Bangladesh. To address the inefficient in Chattogram Port's logistics service, several strategies reform are necessary. This includes the policy and regulatory reform, modernize national port policies to enhance port infrastructure, integrate various logistic actors and improve the service quality. Current policy should be revised to encourage the foreign private participations and establish a robust public-private partnership framework to attract the foreign investment in logistics infrastructure. Strengthening in contract enforcement, improve mechanisms for contract enforcement, and create unified, clear regulations that streamline the role of various government agencies and logistic providers involved in port operations. promoting competitions, foster a competitive market structure to incentive force and service providers to invest in technology, improve service qualities and develop a integrated logistics service. This includes facilitating regional trade agreements and connectivity initiatives with neighboring countries and enhancing local and intra-port competition through the introduction of multiple private logistic operators. Expanding infrastructure, develop extensive infrastructure and facilities at Chattanooga Port and other seaports to better accommodate cargo flows and improve hinterland connectivity. These strategies aim to transfer Chattanooga Port into a more efficient and competitive logistic hub by addressing its current shortcomings in infrastructure and service quality. Chattogram Port Logistics System currently lacks an intermodal terminal and adequate warehousing facilities, crucial for supporting value-added services. To develop an effective port logistics center, the establishment of a modern intermodal terminal with an IT-based vehicle management system is essential. This development requires close cooperation between public institutions, private logistic providers, and port city authorities. The existing institutional fragmentations and overlapping the mandates have lead to poor coordinations and suboptimal infrastructure quality. To address this issue, the government should consolidate regulatory functions under a unified body such as Maritime Transport Logistic Authority and ensure the comprehensive participations from all stakeholders. In the planning and development process, this process approach will enhance the coordinations and ensure that the common interest of all parties are met through well-aligned policies and strategies. And the final slide, conclusions. Seaports are crucial links in global maritime transportation and logistics, significantly impacting supply chain performance. Bangladeshi seaports, while vital for international trade, currently lack efficient and well-developed logistics service compared to global standards. Other countries enhance port logistics by developing sophisticated policies, unifying institutional structure, promoting the competitions, and expanding the infrastructure to support value-added service. There are some key challenges. The unsophisticated policies and regulations. Outdated regulations lead to governance issues and administrative red tape, deterring foreign investment and logistics service. Absence of port competitions. Absence of inter and intra-port competition hinders the development of competitive logistic environment. Inadequate infrastructure for logistics service. Insufficient logistics infrastructure limits the provisions of value-added services. Lack of collaborations among the stakeholders. Poor collaborations between the stakeholders hampers the logistic efficiency. Special limitations. Geographical constraints affect the establishment of comprehensive logistics centers. Proposed strategies has been shown. Develop a comprehensive port policies. Formulate a unified policy that aligns the various institutions and streamline regulations. Promote competitions in port logistics service market. Encourage both inter and intra-port competition to enhance the market structure and service development. Maritime Authority. Establish a unified regulatory body such as Maritime Transport and Logistic Authority. Expand logistic infrastructure and facilities. Invest in and expand logistic infrastructure and facilities, including intermodal terminal and warehouses. Develop logistic corridor. Develop special analysis and logistics corridor to optimize the locations and accessibility for logistics center. The public-private collaborations. foster partnerships between public and private sectors to enhance the service offering and infrastructure development. And finally, the goals: addressing the governance issue, removing the administrative barriers, encouraging private investment, foster competitions, and enhance the collaborations to build an effective port logistics center. Thank you all for your attention and supports. I truly appreciate the opportunity to share ideas with you. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.